Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Simply Earth essential oil recipe box, and this should be for the month of December. I always get it a little bit early before the month starts. Spread your wings. So they have a sister company called Wildroot. I got an email about this. They are making natural deodorant, and they've included a travel size. Oh cool. All right. And they did reach out and they said they do a giveaway, but I was late in replying back, so I don't know if they're still going to offer that, but I think it's pretty cool that they have a deodorant line. So we'll take a look at that first since they mentioned it. Here is the little sample. Wildroot natural deodorant scented with lavender, lang lang essential oils. Let's take a whiff. That smells really good. I have tried a few natural deodorants and they're not bad. Normally I don't care for the scent of them, but this actually smells really good. So I'll give that a try and let you guys know how that is. So the recipes for this month, ooh, Christmas candy diffuser blend. Some of their diffuser blends, particularly the holiday ones, are some of my favorites. So this one has candy cane and mandarin. I bet that smells so good. And the January recipe box sneak peek is called Winter Wellness, and it tells you what that's going to include and which essential oils. We have a peppermint and pine salve. On the back of that one talks about the referral program. Citrus Christmas room spray. That one has pine scotch. Yeah, I love anything that has pine in it, so that's probably a winner. Back of that one talks about their Facebook page. Next we have a Mandarin and coffee sugar scrub. I bet that smells really good. And the charity this month is Nightlight Bangkok. They give 13% each month to a different charity, and so they always include some information about that charity as well. Next we have a candy cane lip balm. I love mint lip balm. And this one talks about the box. So we have a peppermint essential oil, pine scotch, mandarin, and candy cane blend, which I will show you here in a moment. And a cold buster roll-on. Cool. And then there's always, usually at least, a note from Kate, who's the recipe formulator at Simply Earth. And here are the stickers for all the products, diffuser blends, all that fun stuff. So the extra stuff that doesn't come in your bonus box will come in here if there's anything you need. So they included a tin, a little bit of twine, some little gift tags, super cute, a bottle for a room spray, 2 little containers for the lip balm, and then the essential oils, pine scotch, which is one of the ones I love, mandarin. We also have peppermint. And then we have a candy cane blend. So let's see what all is in there. Spearmint, frankincense, orange, and lemon. Yum, yum. So that's what came in the December box. If you guys would like to subscribe, I do have a promo code below, and I will put my playlist in case you want to see past boxes. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.